Today we're going to look at a trading robot which is totally free for Metatrader 4. It made a 2,500% gain. The only thing that I've done is I've optimized it, so I have a configuration file which allows it to make these gains. And on this video we are going to talk about brokers and VPS and why you need to look at that. Then we'll run through the backtest results for this algo, where to get this trading robot. As I mentioned, it's totally free, and then we'll talk about the installation and the set file, which is the configuration file, which you can also get completely free as well. Unfortunately, not all brokers are the same. I have made a YouTube video as to how to select a broker, a suitable broker, and I'll drop that link in the description below. I'll also drop a link to my recommended broker to use for this kind of thing. The other thing to think about is VPS. So VPS is a virtual private server, which is essentially a computer which sits on the internet. If you're trading or using trading robots, ideally you want a computer that is on 24/7 so that you don't miss a trade, plus special Forex VPS servers. They are built to trade Forex, so they tend to be placed in the same data centers as the brokers, which gives it a significant advantage. Once again, I will put that link to the recommended VPS in the description below. Okay, starting with $1,000. So check the settings here. I'm going to run it at 2% per trade. Just checking out that's correct, and let's kick it off. Now I've sped up the backtest 20 times over because it's quite slow. We start this from 2018 to June 2020, so approximately 2.5 years, and we'll see how much we make from $1,000. Right, and I know this peaks around 40,000, and we finally settle on 26,000, which is the final amount that this algo makes here. Okay, now looking at the report, you can see 1,000 goes to 26,000. Right, so this is a high quality copy of the report. You can see on the screen the backtest report. You can see it's euro-dollar. We're trading this on the 1 hour chart. So initial deposit 1,000, that's how much we started off in 2018, and it's made 26,800 odd dollars. So it's made 26 times the money. Now what is quite high is the drawdown, so that's 40%, but if you adjust that, you can obviously minimize it to what is suitable, and what is suitable to your risk parameters. So over 2.5 years, it's done 110 trades, which isn't that high, but it is a low frequency algo, preferring accuracy over a number of trades. And the other thing that's interesting is if you look at the average profit versus the average loss, we are talking at comparative ratios, almost a 1-to-1 almost. Some algos you see take very small profits and massive take profits. Massive stops. This algo doesn't do that. It's not a scalping algo. It's not a grid or martingale type algo. So those are all very, very dangerous. If you've been in the trading game, you know that almost 90% of algos out there are those type, which can make you money for a while, but eventually they will blow your account. So this is relatively safe algo, assuming that you adjust the risk parameters in accordance to what is suitable for you. And here is where you get the algo: www.quivofx.com/expert-advisor, and then it's the Bollinger Bands EA, which is the free version. Click on the free version there, click on download now, and then at the bottom there you can just click on just download. and that will download the software. And if you install that into your expert folders in your Metatrader, that will get it installed. Right, okay, so this is Metatrader, and I'm assuming you've installed it in the right place. You can check it by seeing the Bollinger Bands EA Basic under the Expert Advisors folder. And all you do is you make sure you've got a euro dollar hourly chart, and you simply drag it over to the chart and drop it. And it just gives you the basic information, but you need to click on inputs, and this has all the variables which you need to configure it correctly. And this is the file that you need to get from myself, which is free. I've done this for you already. I'm just showing you where it is. It's called Bollinger Bands EA Basic July 2020. There'll be a link to this in the description below. So yeah, you simply add it and it will adjust all those figures in there for you, and then you click OK. You check if there's a smiley face. If there isn't, there's a couple of places to check. First of all, here, auto trading, make sure that's green. Still not working, so you then double click on the unhappy face, and then go to that tab, click on allow trading, OK, and make sure it's a smiley face. And once you've got a smiley face, you just need to leave it, it will do its thing. So assuming you've got a VPS running, it will just run itself now, open and close trades, and yeah, watch the account grow. If you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial and would like to see more, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Many thanks.